There's a car stuck. That's the best way to get around cross-country skis right there. The freeway. I'm in St. Paul, Minnesota right now. This is a freeway. It's literally like whiteout conditions. Really, really bad. I mean, you literally can barely see the off-ramp to get off. It went from pretty bad, real bad, to worse. We're getting about an inch an hour, I guess, according to news reports. And yeah, it's hard to even. There's cars stuck in the freeway over there. I don't know if you can see them. It's really bad. I'm gonna do the same thing. I mean, the cars are literally buried. This is what's in front of me right now. Cars are stuck. They're buried up to their wheels. Look at that. Look at that. It's buried. The hood's gone. Oh man, she hit her car hard. I mean, there's cars stuck everywhere. Look at this. They're trying to get out because they're going to get towed in a little bit because they've declared a snow emergency. Move. Yeah, they've declared a snow emergency. And these people are just buried. I mean, the cars, it's like blizzard conditions out here. That's the freeway. You cannot see hardly anything. I don't know why people are out in cars. It's just insane. I mean, the conditions are horrible, and there are people in two-wheel drive cars. That's a bus that's stuck. Public transportation is out. I mean, it's super bad out here. That's a bus. It's stuck in the snow. It can't get out. People are walking. Cars just in intersections. It's just stuck there. It's so bad. It's really windy. It's a big flag. It's on sticking straight on end. There's a snowplow there. He lost his front hub. Tires sitting in back. This is a street. Usually it's like you can park on both sides, but these cars are trying to go through there. It's really deep. St. Paul, Minnesota. We have still serious conditions on the streets. And they're stuck. Here, Chad. Oh, this. Go ahead.
Go. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Woo! Success. Awesome.
That's called teamwork.
Hell yeah. Right. Woohoo! Yeah, never stop when you're in the zone.
Don't you love this weather?
Awesome. Oh my gosh.
St. Paul, Minnesota. December 2010 blizzard. This is the aftermath. There's a car under that. And our roads are getting there, but they're still a mess. They're still a mess. See the fence? Snow is all the way up to the fence.